Palang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako nga po pala si Angela Jan Agner at welcome po sa aking G65 Daily Devotion ni Pastor Russell Ocampo Seminary Edition, at ngayong araw po ay June 23, 2025 at ang topic po natin ngayong araw ay Logos of God. Maayos na ang buhay kay Kristo. And yung concept po natin na Logos, sabi po dito na yung Logos is the Greek words for word using powerful in John chapter 1 verse 1 to refers to Jesus Christ. In the beginning was the Word. To Jewish ears, it's recalled God's creative and commanding speech in the Old Testament, Genesis chapter 1. To Greek minds, it pointed to the reason and order to govern the universe, but John makes it clear this Logos is a person, Jesus, who was with God and is God. He is the divine reason behind creation, the ultimate revelation of God to humanity. Scripture po natin ngayong araw is John chapter 1. Scripture po natin ngayong araw is John chapter 1 verse 1 to 3. And the Word became flesh. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. He was in the beginning with God. All things were made through Him, and without Him was not anything made that was made. Sa Tagalog po, ang salita ng buhay. Sa simula ay ang salita, at ang salita ay kasama ng Diyos, at ang salita ay Diyos. Sa simula ay kasama na siya ng Diyos. Sa lahat ng mga bagay ay ginawa sa pamamagitan niya, at kung wala siya ay hindi nagawa ang anumang bagay na ginawa. And yung teaching number 1 po natin is Jesus is the Logos of the Jews. Sabi po dito na yung ating Panginoong Diyos, Jesus Christ, siya po yung Logos ng mga Jews na talagang nakakilala sa Kanya, na pinakilala siya ni John sa mga Jews. And teaching number 2, Jesus is the Logos of the Greek. Sabi po dito na ang ating Panginoong Diyos po is naging Logos ng Greek na pinakilala rin po ni John. And teaching number 3, Jesus is the Logos who become flesh. Sabi po dito na ang ating Panginoong Diyos po ay nakilala and bilang isang Logos na naging isang flesh. And application number 1, see Jesus as the origin and organized of creation. Sabi po dito na i-apply po natin sa sarili natin na ipakita natin, ipagkalat natin yung ating Panginoong Jesucristo sa mga hindi believers na tayo ay agent, na siya yung agent and organizer ng lahat ng creation. And the application number 2, satisfy your heart's deepest desire. Sabi po dito na apply po natin sa sarili natin na yung mga puso po natin, yung mga desire, yung mga malalim na desire na puso natin ay dapat po na gawin natin ito, na masatisfy natin ito. And the application number 3, set your life in order having Jesus at the center. Sabi po dito na apply po natin sa sarili natin na iset natin yung life natin, yung buhay natin in order na meron tayong Jesus sa gitna ng ating buhay. And dahil lang po ngayong araw, maraming salamat. God bless.